Hey guys, Mrs. Bradford again. Getting ready to go for a run, but I wanted to take a minute and read you a story with my friend Teddy here. I've had Teddy a long time. Someone gave him to me when I was sick one time, long time ago, and I still have him. Say hi, Teddy. See? So I'm going to read you a story about a bear since Teddy is a bear. It's called The Bear Snores On by Jane Chapman and Karma Wilson. It's one of my favorite books when my daughter was little. The Bear Snores On. Ready? In a cave in the woods, in a deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. And an itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dark, too cold, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. He doesn't get up, does he? Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's that?" And a hare pops in. A hare is a bunny, isn't it? "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips or slurps. Hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "Oh, I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in. Yummy." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole turned up through the floor, then a wren and a raven fluttered through the door. Mole mutters, what a night, what a storm," twitters Wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare makes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew. There's a small pepper fleck, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear, achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes and wakes the bear, and the bear wakes up. Bear snarls and snarls, bear roars and rumbles, bear jumps and stomps, bear growls and grumbles. Ooh, he's mad, isn't he, Teddy? Because they woke him up. "Oh, you've snuck in my lair and you've had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping and now I've had none." He whimpers and he mourns, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeals, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps and gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. Oh my goodness, what a great story. So they all had so much fun. They wore themselves out, and then when they did wake the bear up, they were ready to go back to bed. What do you think, Teddy? I know, it was a good story. All right, Teddy's going to take a nap, and I'm going to go get some exercise. We'll talk soon. Bye, guys.